What's up, beautiful people, and welcome to another episode of Don't Keep Up with the Joneses. 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 What's up, beautiful people, to another episode of Don't Keep Up with the Joneses, Vlogmas edition, day 11. Yes, beautiful people, we are out here again for another palette video, and as y'all know how it goes, I am also excited to be here with you all today, because on this video, I will be creating and building a baby manger. Yes, we have a nativity scene for our Christmas production at my church that we need a manger for. So I thought to myself, and I said, Soph, I believe you can do this. You can build this with some pallets. So that is what I'm going to be doing here with you all today. Again, this is another one of my first builds, but nonetheless, I am so excited about it. And we're going to be recording the Christmas production, and then we're going to be airing it. So when it is aired on Christmas Day, I will put a link below so that you can see it come to life, as well as to see the barn that I helped build as well. So it's going to be awesome. I hope y'all are having a wonderful Christmas, wonderful holiday, wonderful season, all those good things. Despite what has happened in 2020, I hope that you can find some hope, some joy, and some love in the midst of all of it. If not, you can be here with us. Love Jones is who we are, and love is what we share and what we give. So go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you are new to it. But nonetheless, we're going to go ahead and get to the build, which I am going to use. I'll be using the planks of the pallet board. So I'm going to cut it in half because I really don't need it that long, because it is a scene where they are sitting down. And of course, sweet baby Jesus is in the manger. So I will cut this board in half, and then from there will be like my sides, right? This one piece will become two pieces, which the two pieces will become the side. And then I cut another piece to be another two pieces to be the other side, okay? And then I have to cut the bottom of it so that it can be angled so it can stand on itself, which I've really never done that before. So that should be interesting to find out what degree I have to turn my miter saw to in order to cut the bottom so it could be a leg, okay? Like it's gonna be an interesting build. So I'm excited to see the outcome. You already saw the outcome in the thumbnail, but we had to get here, and this is the process. So let's go ahead and do some cutting first of the boards in half, and then we're gonna do the legs, and then I'm gonna let you know what degree you have to have it in to do the legs, in which I did it, okay? Let's go. Woo-hoo! All right, ladies and gentlemen, so I went on ahead and committed to the 45-degree angle, which I did not think about the repercussions of doing. Wait, gotta pause that bad boy. These headphones are definitely helping this project go by oh so smoothly, which I did a review on these headphones already. You can go and check it out. I'll put a link to that video in the description below. So, hello. All right. That was awesome. Somebody drove by that says they watched your channel, so hey, I guess they got a live little preview of what's to come, but nonetheless, this is what's going on. So I have done the angles at a 45-degree angle, which was very, I think it was too much, probably. I think you could have done a lesser angle to get a higher product. And if you don't really understand what I mean, so this is what I have going on. So you stand it like this, boom, and you see the angle is like very sharp. I think at a higher angle would have been a little bit higher and less of a cut. But at the end of the day, I committed to it. Like I said, I cut one that way. Therefore, I had to cut the others. Well, maybe I necessarily don't have to cut the others that way. I can just cut the other side, let the other side be the bottom, let this side be the top, and put the planks along it. Let me think about what I'm thinking about. And then if I do decide to cut, I will do the cut. But if not, I'm going to go ahead and assemble. Let me put some thought to it. Alright, video people, again, as I'm learning what I'm talking about, I realized I did it just the way I wanted it to be. And so what I have is 45-45 as it sits. This is the open space here. I will put the other planks right here for the baby sweet baby Jesus to sit here and rest, okay? So this is the frame of the manger, okay? Which is the very vital part, because from here is where you go ahead and, of course, lay the pallet boards here to then allow for the bed situation, okay? So let's go ahead and screw in these bad boys. I'm using my 1 and 5/8 inch screws, and so it's gonna go through, but nonetheless, we'll make it work, okay? All right, beautiful people. So actually, I like the way it turned out. It is something that I want it to be in the area and the slant and all that good stuff that I want it to be in. So from here, I will go ahead and cut out the pallet boards that will be the platform, if you will, for the manger to bring it all together. And I'm gonna go ahead and cut it. I've already measured it out. So we'll cut it, we'll apply it, and we'll see how it looks on the other end of this here build, which I did not think about how I will attach it to the board itself, because the nail, if I drill it in, it may cause the wood to split. So I might have to use some wood glue, which I've never used wood glue before. So we'll see how this goes, but I'll make sure that you're a part of each and every process. All right, go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already done so. What you waiting on? Okay, VLOGMAS, yeah. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I want to start something new, something that I thought about while I was cutting that wood. I did not wear my safety goggles, I did not wear my safety gloves. So, going forward from this video, not that doesn't count because I caught it on myself, but going forward, if you catch me cutting with the miter saw or the table saw or the reciprocal saw without my safety goggles, call it out, drop your Cash App, I'm going to send you $1, okay? First one to do it, I'm going to send you $1, and as I continue to do it, I will continue to add more money to the pot, okay? So I just want to make sure safety is a thing that we all do, okay? So make sure you drop it in the comment section below. All right, next time you catch me, this don't count. This don't count. That's as simple. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that did not work at all. This poor thing is just as flimsy as it looks like. I just got tired, I got frustrated with it, so I do have some 2x4s, some extra 2x4s that I had and that I'm gonna use, that we use for the barn. So I'm gonna just go ahead and use that to use for the base of my manger, and then be able to put, ideally, the pallet wood as the boards that baby Jesus can be on, but that was not working. So what I can do is cut at a different angle this time for my bottom. I'm gonna try like a 30-degree angle this time instead of a 45-degree angle, and yeah, we'll see, grow, and go from there. So let me go ahead and cut this new wood, these 2x4 wood, and then we'll go back to the frame and we'll see, because honestly I wasn't able to do it with the pallet wood. So maybe that's a little lesson for you, as it was for me. Well, 30 degrees wasn't what it needed to be. My B at the top is oh so small, so 45 degree is where I will go back to, and I will leave the 30-degree angle cut for the top piece, if I can't figure out how to do it at the bottom. Alright, beauty people, so here you have it. The manger scene set situation is done, it's complete. I had to use the 2x4s. That was the way that I was able to get a nice, firm, solid foundation. That was the problem that I had with the pallet wood. It was not staying up. I guess the boards were too slim, too small, too skinny to do what it needed to do. However, the 2x4s is doing the job. I can move it around. I have no problem. As you all saw, I drilled in with screws these pallet boards into the 2x4s to create the side pieces. And of course, it's going to be adorned with the hay and sweet baby Jesus. So it's gonna look nice, it's gonna look good, it's gonna tie in with the overall barn situation itself, because we did use a mix between these 2x4s and the pallet wood from the back. So it's gonna all tie in, look dressed right dressed, and look like it was supposed to be together and look like a pair, right? Like they purchased a barn and a manger for two. Well, for three, okay? Anyway, beautiful people, I love you all. This project was pretty fun. A little bit challenging, a little bit stressful, but I made it through, okay? The liquid nail situation does not work for me. Give me in the comments in the section below of how to use the liquid screws, because I honestly did not know what to do, and it looks messy, it looks junky. But I'm gonna put it in the sun and let it dry up, and then we'll be good to go going forward. Alright, beautiful people, make sure you tune back in for day 12 tomorrow of Vlogmas. It's a planter situation that I'm going to build to give away. So I'm so excited about that one. Make sure you tune back in. Tell a friend to tell a friend. We have some giveaways this month. So you want to make sure you are subscribed. Hit that bell notification so you know when other videos come up for your chance to win 3 items this month. All right, beautiful people. See you next time. Peace.